So
This
here,
is on you are in the which day now?
I'm in the 13th day,
1 3.
1 3. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, show me.
Things 202 I got covered.
Okay, I will tell you before you go ahead. Okay, can you go up?
Ah,
This is the diagram you have to make it like anything. Okay, the question has been
okay.
asked in interview that can you explain
Hmm.
us the end-to-end flow of ISO 222, or they can ask you end-to-end flow of SEPA. Okay, for
Okay.
everything you have to explain this diagram only, and the video should be there.
Okay.
Not here. It may
Ah,
be in this is the introduction, right? It may be the
yeah.
explanation of pack 8 or pack 9 somewhere. The video will be there. Around 1 hour of
Okay.
explanation is there. So each and every
Hmm.
messages, the flow, there are 8 use cases here in this diagram. So you have to do
Okay.
it like anything. This is the only um, getting asked in interviews always. You have to. There are total 8 use cases for this one, and you have to make it.
Okay.
Okay. Now ask me different thing.
Okay. Yes. So this gives the whole picture. Like for example, this is the payment initiation, and what happens after payment initiation. Is that's the flow?
Yeah, that's the
This.
flow. Plus, this is the
Okay.
positive flow, negative flow, and recall flow, the cancellation flow, and acknowledgement. So, what I will to say that whatever you are going to learn in ISO 222 complete in my
Hmm.
sessions or in the world or anywhere, there's everything is
Hmm.
covered in this diagram.
Okay.
Okay, so the explanation is there somewhere. Okay, in the videos.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So if I take the empty message, right? So 103, I have the structure. What are the headers, application header? There is a complete split up of the message. So I can read it. All the fields I got remember. And in the ISO new MX message also, I saw a sample message. So it
Hmm.
was clearly within the tags. And there is like each segment to segment given. Like this is
Can you
the
show me next
message.
diagram, 8 number diagram?
Yeah.
Okay, here, see, you can
Ah,
correlate from here also.
okay.
If you see here, for
Hmm.
example, there is a 50A on the below, right? 50A means
Ah,
you remember, right? It's a payment initiator debtor name. Debtor means
finish.
is
Oh,
the you can
originator.
originator of payment, right? So it is
Yeah.
called as a debtor
Okay.
like this. Then 50C here initiating party, 52 means debtor bank, which is called debtor agent here. So like this. Okay. What
I can.
I will suggest to you, right? There is a
Ah,
business application header on build, I think folder number 14 or 15. It is
okay.
contained complete. This is the same thing which I explained. Okay. This is
Okay.
the now you are on the 13th, right? It's very basic.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
very basic. You have to go with
Okay.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This content very vast in detailed everything.
Okay.
Even the each and
Okay.
every message is explained very nicely. Okay,
Oh,
if you go to the other folders, and it will take you, being honest, for completing
ah,
at itself pack set message, you will take at least 6 hours.
oh,
Pack set. If you can go to the pack set folder, means 14 or 15 message. So once you do that, right, you'll understand everything because I explained in such a. This is basic one, 13. Don't go here.
okay.
Go to the main folder. If
Because in the Swift message, one document was there, right? 945 pages. So there, when you are taking, you are telling some codes like it is mandatory, some it is optional. So to that level of detail,
it is there in
uh,
next one, next folder. That's what I'm saying. Go down.
okay.
Go down. Go down. Okay, slowly, slowly. Back. Yeah, day 15. Okay, there are two folders, 26 and 20. Go open my March, May 26, this year only. Okay, can you see here now? Don't open
Mm,
anyone. Don't open anyone. I'm just saying scroll
yeah,
everything top to bottom. See, there are total 7 to 8 videos are there. Each is having
okay.
1 hour session.
Okay.
So if you go through this in detail, you'll understand everything what I meant to say about pack set message and each and every elements of this one, which you want to ask
Okay.
me. Okay, this contain this one.
Okay. So if I take that message, I gone through 3 to 4 videos. So one video was telling about the settlement method for
Right,
Packside.
right,
How is the format? And this one is about interest amount charges.
right.
And this is about this payment info. So if I take the payment message, these are the variation which I need to know, right? So for example,
Okay.
settlement method, there will be some additional field. Can I take a
Can you
sample?
go above? Yeah. Can you go above? Can you go main folder of this one? Yeah. Open this document section. Okay. Can you go? Oh yeah. Open this first use case. Right. Okay. And now, wait a minute. Not this is PAX 9. Okay. Go below. Yeah. Can you open this PAX 8? Wait a minute. PAX 8.2.4. Not 002. We have to open PAX 8 message. Anywhere PAX is
Okay,
written, right? Hybrid one. Yeah. First one only. Open that one. First
A
one.
to D.
Yeah. Open that. Yeah. Open that one. I'll just give you the background. Everything is same
Ah,
only,
okay.
but I will give you.
Ah,
Okay. Now,
okay.
if you go down, okay, the first line, right? It is application header. Wait, do
Mm.
one thing. Wait a minute there only. I am using Notepad plus plus, so it will be very easy to see. I will show you in my picture. I will just tell you how to remember these things. Okay, that will guide you.
Okay. Okay.
I am sharing my screen.
Okay. Thanks. That's right.
Okay, this is the same message which you are looking. Okay,
Mm.
from
Yeah.
this part is not for you, it is just FI information. Okay, this is
Okay.
the example what is going on. Now this
Standard.
message
Mm.
contain at very high level 2 points. Okay, this is the first
Mm.
message
Mm.
contain envelope. First of all, this is
Okay.
envelope, which is all the messages there inside the envelope. Then if you open it like this, then the second
Mm.
part is called a business application header and document.
Mm.
Okay, these two
Okay.
things keep in mind.
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
contain application header and document. Now this
Okay.
application header part, it is common
Mm.
for all the messages. Packs 8 to 9, 56, 57, whatever messages are there, the data
Okay.
inside, data not data, the for the fields, the elements are common.
Mm.
So
Okay.
whenever you want to explain pack set
Mm.
message, you don't have to explain the first part. it is
Okay.
it is explained in one of the folder called business application header. It should be
Yes.
there before that one. Okay, this one.
Okay.
But still many reference are there of this field. Okay, I will tell you one by one
Mm.
slowly. It is already explained there, but I just give
Ah,
you the
okay.
highlight of this one
Oh, but-
also quickly. Okay, it's contain first of all, in if you compare to MT103 message, this is from which
Mm.
big block 1.
Ah,
This is the field.
yes.
Okay, then it's
Okay.
contain 2. 2 means which bank it is sending the payment, block 2.
Ah, okay.
Okay, then it contain the header, what exactly this message ID there means field 20.
Ah, okay.
Okay, then what is this message? This is packset message, variant version. Then which
Okay.
business service is calling this one. Then the date. Okay, this is the information there in header which is common. So if I minimize this
Okay.
one, this is header. But you have to
Okay.
explain this also, which is the main message here. Right
Okay.
here, if you see here also many parts are there. I will quickly tell you. This is called FI to FI customer credit transfer for packset. It is there inside your document part. The first contain group header. Okay, like this. If I open this group header, in group header also contain number of transaction always one. Okay, it is
Okay.
in group header. It is just field 20. Then when
Okay.
the message is created, this is so field 20 remain common three times in the message, here also and here also, in payment ID also, instruction ID.
Okay. Field 20 of empty messages.
MT103 message.
One second. Okay.
Okay,
Got it. Okay.
this is there. It is already explained, no need to write down. If you go
Ah,
through all the
okay.
videos, right? That's why I'm telling, no
Ah,
need to write down anything. It's everything is explained. That's why I'm saying this 102 videos
ah,
is this too much for learning. 102,
okay.
right? Okay.
Because when I'm reading the message, I'm able to understand. So
Hmm.
if we say that pack instrument ID slash this is the message is coming inside
Hmm.
sender big, receiver big. But on a perspective or mapping perspective, or if they ask any question on pack sake, so I was a bit confused to that 945 page document. So what should be the
Oh,
mandatory?
so
Yeah.
you are talking about that 945. See, mandatory part, it is mentioned in the one more document is there. I think you
Hmm.
haven't opened. Okay, I will tell you first quickly this one, then I will tell you
Ah,
another
okay.
one also. Okay, quickly. So,
Okay.
see, what are the things you have to explain? That also I'm telling now. You have to explain
Mm.
definitely number of transaction, create date, and message ID here in group header. Then you have to explain
Okay.
what is the settlement type of this machine, who is doing the settlement, and this is mandatory part. Okay,
Okay.
that is INDA, INGA, or cover. Who is doing the settlement
Okay.
means who is doing the clearance of this payment. Either you're doing by the sender
Okay.
or receiver, or the covering passage or third party someone. Okay, then this is group header is closed. This is group header is done. Now next part
Okay.
is credit transfer information. So group header is like the header part here in this terms.
Mm.
Now next part contain payment id. In payment id, instruction id, this is just now I told you, right? Then we have
Mm.
end to end id also. Then you are uatr.
Mm.
uatr we know, right? It is there in
Yeah.
block 3 also. Okay,
Okay.
same thing, it is mandatory part, these three are mandatory. Okay,
Okay.
then it is closed here, this also your payment
Mm.
id. Then
Okay.
next contain your interbank settlement amount, currency, everything.
Mm.
Then
Mm.
interbank settlement date and who is the charge bearer, debtor.
Okay.
Okay, these things are mandatory, you have to explain everything. So
Okay.
whatever things I'm telling it are mandatory only. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, then
Okay.
you have to
So
mention
this
the
is like in this, do we have like one sender, one receiver, or we have one-to-one, many-to-many also?
thing is that when we don't have
Single message.
relationship with each other, right, corresponding banking
Mm.
system, then we have like here is intermediary agent one. So there is no
Okay.
relation between sender and receiver. That's why this intermediary agent is involved, which is called corresponding banking in our MT language.
Okay.
Okay,
Corresponding line.
so this is
Okay.
sender, instructing
Okay.
agent, and this is instructed agent. These are receiver, but
Okay.
relation is
Mm.
due to this intermediary agent one. Okay,
Okay.
then if you go down, who is the debtor means who is sender the payment, like your 50
Anyway.
50
Okay.
billed, right? This is the
Mm.
format of this one. Then
Okay.
if you go down again, it is after this is debtor agent.
Mm.
Okay, see sometimes is that bank is there but his bank is given authority to some other bank, so this why instructing
Okay.
agent is this from this bank. this is
Okay.
this is this payment, this bank is acting on the half of the this bank.
Mm.
Okay, like this. Then in similar ways creditor agent and creditor here. Okay, so
Okay.
I will tell you whenever you want to explain this payment a packset message, you have to
Mm.
explain creditor, debtor agent, then creditor
Okay.
creditor agent, then you have to explain the basic verification part, UATR, end-to-end instruction ID, settlement date, settlement amount. Then you have to explain the concept of structural address as well. This is called structural address concept. This also you have to
Okay.
explain. Then you have to explain
Mm.
corresponding banking system also. How many banks are corresponding involved here? Because if you don't have end-to-end relationship with each other, okay, those
Okay.
also you have to explain these things. So these are
Okay.
mandatory fields only. If you visit
Okay.
this message, right? In this message there are
Mm.
no other mandatory fields because there are around
Okay.
three, I think 400, 500 fields are there, but these are mandatory only. Again,
Okay.
if you want to go through your training study material, which is with you, okay,
Okay.
which I shared with you already, it is there in the same folder. And if I open packset message here, I'm just giving answer of your question also. How do you identify which are mandatory, not mandatory? But in my video, it is clearly mentioned mandatory and non-mandatory part. But for proof side, proof side also, I have explained this also.
Okay. So, Prashant, so if I take one pack 008, it contains all the parties involved, like sender,